Hello friends, welcome to my channel. You are watching beauty recipe, that is Kumkumadi Thailam. It is also called saffron oil in English, Kesar ka tel in Hindi. So let's get started. Ingredients needed: Kumkumadi Thailam. This is Kasturi Haldi, also called as wild turmeric in English. This wild turmeric powder is having antibacterial properties and it may reduces dark circles, blemishes, acne, improving complexion and providing soft and glowing skin. Next product is sweet badam rogan almond oil. It is rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin A and E. It saves your skin and reduce the effects of aging on skin. This is Eshti or Ati Maduram or Indian licorice. This is also very helpful to reduce pimples, acne, marks and blemishes, suntan, dullness. Most important product is saffron. It is also called kesar or kumkumam in Tamil. This is red sandal powder. This is also very helpful to glow our skin and nourish our skin and to improve our color of the skin. Very helpful in reducing pimples, acne marks, blemishes, suntan and dullness. And this is Manjishta. It is blood purifier. This red root improves blood circulation and it's mostly used for improving complexion and reducing pigmentation, stimulating faster wound healing and reducing inflammation. And this is called vetiver. It improves blood circulation and treats underlying skin conditions. This vetiver is useful in skin cell regeneration and boosting the growth of new cells. And it is also very helpful in reducing scars and blemishes. Now we'll start the preparation of Kumkumadi Thailam with all these products. I have taken all these products 1 teaspoonful, that means 10 grams each. This is camel grass or vetiver and manjishta powder and again our kasturi manjal or wild turmeric, and then this is the red sandalwood powder, and this is ati maduram or muleti powder or licorice powder, and this is saffron. I have taken only teaspoonful quarter teaspoonful. Here I am using Upakarma Ayurveda natural cold pressed sweet almond oil. If you want to take other brand also, here I have taken small mug. Along with this Upakarma Ayurvedic oil, one dropper also has come. You can use with dropper or either directly you can pour oil into the mug. Now I am taking 50 ml of sweet almond oil in a mug. This almond oil is yellow in color and light sweet smell it's having. Now I am adding all the ingredients one by one to the mug. If you want to purchase this Kumkumadi Thailam or saffron oil from any other supermarkets or online also, it will be very expensive and we don't know about the quality of the product, and if we go for the best quality it will be more expensive. That is the reason I am preparing at home. You can follow my procedure and do it yourself and get good results. Now coming to the Kumkumadi Thailam uses and benefits. It is an Ayurvedic oil that fights the issue of premature aging, fine lines and wrinkles. Using it on a regular basis will give spotless and glowing skin. If you are prone to scars, blackheads, pigmentation and you have old blemishes, this oil is perfect for you. Here we are using sweet almond oil to preparing Kumkumadi Thailam, so it is very useful to our skin It is loaded with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Kumkumadi Thailam is extremely beneficial for treating skin infections and inflammatory conditions like acne and pimples. Here, lastly, we can add vetiver directly as it is how it is, or otherwise cut it into small pieces and add to the cup. After using this oil, you will get noticeable results. That is, your skin color will improve. Whatever your color is, your skin color and texture will improve up to 2 tones, and your skin will looks very young and wrinkle free. We used all Ayurvedic and herbal products to prepare this Kumkumadi Thailam, so you'll not get any side effects. And men and women can also use this oil. After adding all the ingredients to the almond oil, just give it a nice mix with a spoon. Here you can see Bajaj electric hot water jug. I am using this jug for double boiling our product. This oil is beneficial for all skin types, but it is strictly advised for people having oily skin to use it in minimum quantity or minute quantity so that it doesn't make a skin greasy. If you are watching first time my channel, please like, share and subscribe and press bell button for my latest updates. After double boiling process has to completed for 3 to 4 minutes, then we has to take out our mug, and then we can filter this product and store it in a dark bottle. Wash your face using a mild face wash. Take a few drops of the Kumkumadi Thailam in the hands and apply it all over your face, neck and affected parts. Massage it evenly all over circular upward strokes for 5 to 10 minutes and leave it overnight. And next morning, wash your face using a mild face wash.